Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove your profile picture on X or Twitter. First of all, you can open the X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can tap on profile. And here you can now tap on edit profile. And after this, you can just simply click on the profile picture. After clicking on the profile picture, I can tell you cannot remove your profile picture on X or Twitter. So you can just simply change the profile picture to remove the first one. And this is the way you can remove profile picture on X. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.